What a lovely morning. It's gonna be a beautiful, lovely day today. Good morning from the tropics. Okay, this is roughly 2 weeks after the flood. A recap. Over here that was covered in, let's say, about a foot of water. A week later, we have maybe half an inch, maybe an inch in certain areas. And the river has been slowly receding and going down. Claiming it's new. It's new shoreline. It's about 2 feet, 2 to 3 feet above its all level that we're used to. But normally these things change the whole area, and it's a new normal now. Well, I stand corrected. Some areas are a little bit deeper than others. I found a little deeper section right there, but it's going down. It's raised, the river is still high. Okay, it has receded. Let's say about 10 feet the Macal have dropped. And it's been going down slow in the last 2 weeks. And there's things happening on that side. Topple that tree over there. I don't know if you guys can see that they're doing some repairs over there. Maybe on lodging or on wedging the trees. I'll go over there for a sec. It's water residing. Everything is being taken care of, and we're working at getting the place looking nice. They're doing a good job over there, and the water has receded drastically over there. And it's still going down. This is roughly 2 weeks now, going on 2 weeks. So it must be raining up in the mountains, and the mountain pine ridge is up in that region there, about 2 hour to an hour and a half drive away from here, from the San Ignacio area. All right.